Today I'll show you how to make your own inexpensive seed germination system using Tupperware, a towel, and a FlexWatt heat mat. You can find detailed instructions, templates, and parts lists by clicking on the link below. First, the Humidity Dome. Begin by taking a clean, regular-sized tuna can and remove the label. A regular knife works for this. Drill a hole in the bottom of the can. The hole should be large enough for a screwdriver to fit through it. We found that a 1/4 inch drill bit will accommodate most screwdrivers. Heat the can on a stove. I recommend a gas stove or grill setup outside, but a regular indoor stove will work also. Just remember that there will be smoke. Use a thick pair of welding gloves to take the can off the stove and cut out a plastic circle from the bottom of a large-size food Tupperware container. If needed, use a screwdriver to push the plastic circle out of the can. Use scissors or a sharp knife to clean up the rough edges. Print off a template we provided through the link below and use it to mark the locations of the holes on the plastic circle. Place a small-sized storage Tupperware on a block of wood and put the plastic circle where you want the vent to be. Drill a hole through the center of both the Tupperware and the plastic circle. Put a small screw through the hole to help hold everything in place. This will make things much easier later. Carefully drill vent holes on each of the outside marks you made on the circle. It is important to use a paddle bit that has sharp teeth on the edges and to drill through one layer of plastic at a time. You can refer to the step-by-step instructions for more information on this step if you need to. Once you have your vent holes drilled, flip the Tupperware over and attach the plastic cutout to the bottom of the outside using a small screw and nut. Stack the lid and the base on top of each other. Use tape or clips like these to help hold things together. Once you have the top and bottom secured, drill 2 hinge holes on one side of the lid and the base. Use a couple binder clips to connect the lid to the base. These will act as your hinges for your humidity dome. If you can't find binder clips, key rings will work also, they're just harder to put on. Your germination humidity dome is complete except for the towel. We will get to that later. Now I'll show you how to assemble the heat mat. To purchase your heat mat and parts, visit the link below. Slide the wire through the tape side of the mastic tape. Crimp the connector to the end of the wire. If you don't have a crimp tool, you can use a pair of pliers like these. Make sure to give the wire a light tug to be sure you crimped it hard enough. Bend the clip over the metal strip of the heat mat. Make sure that the clips are facing out. Here's what it should look like. Clamp the clip down hard using a strong pair of pliers so that it makes a solid electrical connection. Another tug here wouldn't hurt. Remove the paper from the back of the mastic tape. Once the paper has been removed, slide the mastic tape down and cover the clip completely. Press down firmly. Repeat this process for the other side as well. Lastly, stick the small mastic tape pieces over the exposed metal strips on the other end of the heat mat. Place the humidity dome on the heat mat. Place a wet dish towel inside the humidity dome. Add pots, seeds, set it in a south-facing window, and watch your plants begin to grow. You can use larger containers by following the same steps. For larger containers, we recommend making 2 vents. The towel is very important in drier climates and keeps the moisture content of the pots and the humidity in the dome stable. For more details, click on the link below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below.